Hello, welcome in TIFTOK channels. In this video we will solving virtualization problems with VirtualBox machines. The system's MikroTik can be started with error 0x80004005 errors, virtualizations not enabled. First we need OpenCMD and disable sandbox and Hyper-V in Windows to work in VirtualBox. So we need first first solve with disable Hyper-V in Windows. So you can write this commands. I will put this command under the videos. After run this commands, the Windows will be disable Hyper-V and sandbox in Windows. Now we need editing BIOS configuration to enable virtualization in PC or laptop. Now I will open the BIOS config. Some laptop you can virtualizations in configuration CPU and some or other BIOS you can have in security configuration. I will edit the configurations to simple text because some BIOS the virtualizations configurations will be hiding in virtual interface. So now I will editing the to text interface. You can go to the security or config. Some laptop in config and some laptop in security. Maybe the ThinkPad or Lenovo, the configurations in security. Now we can see the configurations, BIOS configurations, security types. We need open the virtualization configuration virtualization. If you don't found the virtualization in security tab, you can go to the config and cap tab. So here I will select virtualizations config, open. If you don't found this setting, you can search in config and CPU config. Now maybe Lenovo in security. Here we can look virtualizations is disabled. Now we need enable all these settings to work in to enable a VirtualBox virtual machines. Edit the enable to enable and exit using F10 or the buttons in under the instruction in BIOS. You will be give information what's the key of to exit and save the configurations. After the save configuration, now we back to VirtualBox, to Windows, and test the virtual machines with using start normals. We can see here virtual machines having starting up normals without any problems. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget subscribe in TIFTOK channels, and you can give support donation by cryptocurrency. The link under the video. Have a nice day.